This presentation is about technopreneurship. Let's define first what is entrepreneurship. The activity of setting up a business or businesses, taking on financial risks in the hope of profit. Difference between cyberpreneurship and technopreneurship. Cyberpreneurship, a business activity and business by using improved computer technology, especially the internet, and businesses that are promoted through electronic brochures, known as the homepage on the internet. Technopreneurship is a process in the formation of new businesses that view technology as a base, with the hope that the creation of appropriate strategies and innovations that could someday put the technology. The concept of technopreneurship, it's a combination of technology and entrepreneurship. This will focus on innovation through the good of use of technology. The good use of technology as an integral and key element in the transformation of goods or services. Characteristics of a technopreneur. Builds for the future. This characteristic means adaptable to change. A technopreneur, we are made to change the future. Should handle and adapt to changes. Profit-oriented, being a technopreneur should be a business-minded. Aware of marketing strategies or techniques to acquire profits and financial gains based from their ideas. Goal-oriented, an individual who do their best just to finish and do better on their task. Every technopreneur should be goal-oriented, which means responsible enough to complete and accomplish their task. Persistent, despite of difficulty, technopreneurs should be positive enough to finish and accomplish the task or any situation that affects your business. Respond to feedback. A technopreneur should handle and operate criticism. Criticism or feedback are also one of the sources of flaws. Set his own standard, a characteristic that denotes a good quality in every situation. Technopreneur is not someone who is contented in the simple and average things. Committed, a characteristic that is committed to fulfill a task or contract. Devoted into something and doing the best should have to accomplish it. Importance of technopreneurship. Creates more employment opportunities. Hundreds of thousands of individuals, despite being well-educated individuals, do not get a job and hence, an opportunity to prove themselves. As technopreneurship grow, they tend to create a pool of career and growth opportunities as they need human resources, and by hiring individuals, it helped the nation combat one of its big concerns, unemployment. Contributes towards technological advancement. When technopreneurs come up with brilliant ideas that could improve the people's quality of life, they contribute significantly towards the constructive development of technology. Promotes entrepreneurial spirit. When the young generation gets a chance and hands-on experience to work with technopreneurial firms, they learn about how to start and run a company from scratch. This may ultimately inspire them to grow and start up their business firms of their own too. Wrapping it up, technopreneurship is a procedure to brainstorm human innovations with the help of technology. It is basically all about finding the scope of and making improvements with the help of technology for a company, country, as well as the whole world. It makes it easier for organizations to develop, distribute, process, store and access information at a cheaper cost. Who is cyberpreneur and technopreneur? Cyberpreneur generally is an entrepreneurs who make money by selling product through internet. A person who carries out business activity with the help of internet and computer that includes but not limited to website, e-commerce platform, blog, affiliate marketing, selling advertising space, selling e-books or other software, freelancing, etc. Techpreneurs are entrepreneurs who start and manage their own technology business. The person who introduced new products and services, by creating new forms of organizations and by exploiting new raw materials. Technopreneurs distinguishes themselves through their ability to accumulate and manage knowledge to achieve a specified business or social goal. Successful local and global technopreneurs. Local technopreneurs. Diosdado Benatao, he has a wide experience as an entrepreneur and invented the chips that we used in our mobile phones and laptops. He is the managing partner of Tallwood Venture Capital. Joey Garango. Joey was known in the field of IT, forming and running successful software companies. He founded several companies during the 90s including Match Data Systems. He also sold MDS to Great Plains Software, which was bought by Microsoft in 2001. Orlando Villa, founder of Smart Communications Incorporated. a business person who has been at the helm of different companies and currently a chairman and president at T1 Vision. He is also Chief Executive Officer and Director at PLDT Communications. Global Technopreneurs, Elon Musk. This billionaire has been regarded as a tech geek, who is CEO of PayPal, and he always rushing the group of technopreneurs who love to take risks. Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Well-known technopreneurs cover Bill Gates, who is the founder and owner of the award-winning firm of all time, Microsoft. But we never forget the late Steve Jobs. He showcases the real picture of the tech world that we have today. It involves all the creative actions involved in the building up of the global corporate empire. Steve Jobs' Apple Computer Corporation, challenges in technopreneurship, capital. Most technopreneurs don't have any education in finances or business administration field. That's why they're usually outsourcing their whole financial department. As technology improves, businesses need to know they are purchasing tech that will support their needs for as long as possible, helping them to remain relevant. Keeping up with new technology. This is constantly changing is a huge challenge for any business. There is always going to be pressure to move fast and to adapt or adopt new technologies. Winning the consumer trust. Consumers would rather buy products and services from well-known vendors. It's very hard for new companies to win consumers' trust. Marketing strategy. Some technopreneurs don't know to market products and services. They want to maximize return on investment with efficient, targeted marketing that gets results. Delegating tasks. Technopreneurs need to delegate or outsource tasks, but it seems every time to do something gets messed up and have to redo it anyway.